और आपको केरल लिए चलते जहां पर आरएसएस की तरफ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है, सुनिए।
We can overcome that time gap in delivering the justice. That is the bigger issue. So it will be taken up, and of course, different organization they will discuss with the legal experts, the ground, some ground, what the people thought about it, and of course discuss with the government also.
सर मैं आमोद हूँ TV9 से।
जी बोलिए।
सर जातीय जनगणना एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है और उसको लेकर संघ भी चिंतित कहीं न कहीं है। उस पर कोई चर्चा या बातचीत?
I think as RSS, we have already commented on this issue. See, as our society, Hindu society, we have the sensitive issue of our caste and caste relations. That is a very sensitive issue. So, and of course, it is an important issue of our national unity and integrity. So, it should be dealt very seriously, not just on the basis of electioning or election practices or politics. So I think as RSS think, yes, definitely for all welfare activities, particularly addressing to the particular community or caste which is lagging behind, and so which is the special attention is needed to some communities and caste. So for that, if sometime government needs the numbers, it is a very well practiced. So government needs the numbers, it takes, earlier also it has taken, so it can take it, no problem. But it should be only to address the welfare of those communities and caste. It should not be used as a political tool for electioneering. And so we put the caution line for everyone.
सर दीपक रंजन पीटीआई वीडियो सर्विसेज से। आज जब पलक्कड़ में राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ की समन्वय बैठक आज समाप्त होने जा रही है, दो मुद्दे महत्वपूर्ण हैं। एक बांग्लादेश में सत्ता परिवर्तन के बाद जो हिंदुओं पर अत्याचार का मुद्दा है और बांग्लादेशियों के घुसपैठ का मुद्दा, और दूसरा मणिपुर का जो इशू है। इन दोनों मुद्दों पर क्या चर्चा हुई और आगे की क्या कार्य योजना है?
नहीं, जैसे I think I have explained about the Bangladesh. Yes, Bangladesh issue and was discussed, and of course it was very sensitive issue. Everybody is worried about the safety and future about the Hindus and other minorities in the Bangladesh. So of course it's a international issue. So it's a foreign countries issue. So as all other organizations, they approach the government authorities and ask the government, our government, to have a diplomatic concern about it, and so they will look into it. Manipur, yes, already I think our Sarasangachalak ji has said in his speech in our Nagpur and concerned about the Manipur issue, and he has of course asked the government also to come